Viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to AutoCAD tutorial. Today's topic is how to make a flower vase. Tutorial will be amazing. Please watch full video without skip. Select top view position, then go to circle diameter. It will be 2 inch. Click drafting and annotation mode. Circle diameter is showing 2 inch. Draw second circle. Top of the first circle is diameter 0.2 inch. Click array command. Next, polar array. Select second circle and use polar array command. Take 26 more circle. Each circle diameter will be 0.2 inch. Before trim command, explode to all small circles and use trim command to trim those. Please follow drawing instruction and video to complete this project. Use join command to join those. Click SW isometric view, draw a vertical line, copy 3 decorated circle towards up, number 2 circle diameter 3 times larger than bottom circle. Number 3 circle diameter 1.5 times larger than bottom circle. Click 3D modeling, then call loft command to perform from bottom circle to top circle. After finished loft command, its shaped look like a flower vase. Note that you can modify your circle's diameter while loft command use because it will be depending on your design. Draw a new circle 1.6 inch diameter, top portion to the flower vase. Make a copy of 1.6-inch circle beside and use press pull command. Pull the circle towards up 0.1 inch. Again using press pull command to remove flower vase inner side sharp object to become smooth. Now it's time to take fillet EDGE command. Its radius will be 0.1 inch. Apply to the flower vase inner top position. Use move command, move to 3D circle to bottom portion to the flower vase. Click MATLAB command, choose color from previous downloaded file. Its rename will be light pink color. After coloring, write render environment command and background will be white and its environment mode will be on. It's time to final rendering of this project. After rendering, it will be look good. If you are enjoyed this video, like it, subscribe my YouTube channel and follow my Facebook page. Thank you.